Selland, Signet Mortgage. Rates may be going up, but so are home values. It's not the time to step back from buying a home. Rates are higher today than they were just a few short weeks ago. What are rates today? It depends on your loan program, but they're in the mid-sixes anyhow. So what does that mean? Really, it means that there will be fewer people in the market looking because they will either not qualify or because they're afraid and have heard that values are softening and expect prices to come down. I don't think that's going to happen in any significant way in the markets that I work in. What I do see is more sellers listing their properties, figuring the market might have been at a peak. So that means a greater chance that you'll find a home that's just perfect for your family. There are still ways to get a lower rate by paying points and buying down your rate, but I don't recommend it. Listen, rates are pushing up because the Fed is trying desperately to control inflation. So we're in a cycle, and we've been through many of these cycles over the years. Once inflation levels out, there should be a refinance opportunity not that too far down the road. I would consider an adjustable rate mortgage, and when we always have the options to best suit your needs and can always discuss the pros and cons of all the choices. Keep in mind there are projections for rates to continue to push even higher by the end of the summer. We'll continue to watch and see how it goes, and of course I will post updates. This is unprecedented. It's a result of the stimulus the government did in response to the pandemic and overheated the economy, plus the impact of world events. Keep in mind, inflation also means that its projected home values will continue to also increase. Summary, it's not the time to step back from buying. Rent is going up everywhere as well. It's still better to buy than rent. For most, interest rates can always be refinanced in the future when a drop occurs, which is highly possible. Lock in the price of your home now, refinance later, and then reap the rewards of gaining wealth through appreciation on your home's value. One more thing, if you were pre-approved a few months ago, make sure you reach out and allow us to update things based on the current conditions. Hopefully this is helpful information, and share with a friend or family that is considering buying a home. Like always, never hesitate to reach out to me directly to talk through anything. I'm here for you. Always. Take care.